How's it going, everyone? So in this video we will be doing a push-up workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that I will be doing today is going to be static push-up holds. This is a crazy exercise for really getting you better at push-ups. So we will do 10-second holds, and we'll do that for exactly, or we'll do 10 sets for 10 seconds. With that being said, let's get started. So we'll hold in this position. Okay, that's one set down. Doing decent on the videos today, you guys. Third video of the day. It's only been it's been about 40 minutes, so that's moving. That's doing pretty good for video wise. I got this video and two other videos that are going to be 10-minute long videos, so that will take up some time. But after that, I have 3 shorter videos, and then I'll have to do that'll put me at 2, 5, 8. Then I'll have one more video after that. So not too bad. 9 videos in the day is not too bad. Again, that's kind of my goal every day, is to get 9 videos Monday to Thursday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I like to get 18 each day. That is a tough goal. Sometimes what happens is I can't get it on Friday. So what I do is I do more on Sunday. Okay. You can round. Had a new low weigh-in today, so that's pretty sweet. Got to 185.4 in the morning, so I am just killing it, you guys. Killing it. Goal is to get to 170 pounds in the morning. My lowest weigh-in altogether, though, I did a weigh-in a couple of days ago right after work, and I weighed 183.6. So that's my lowest weigh-in ever. Not ever, but during this cutting cycle, that's my lowest weigh-in. But again, my morning weigh-in, that's kind of what I actually track, though. The other one's just kind of for fun weigh-in, but yeah. We'll do another 10-second hold. Again, static exercises are really good. I know a lot of people may not like them because we're not actually working out. I mean, it is a workout, don't get me wrong, but a lot of people think that it doesn't count. It does count. It's static workouts, you guys. It's a static exercise. It's very good. Just trust me, just do it, and over time you will see results. Trust me. I am pretty tired. I'm motivated today, like I want to do these videos, but I am tired. Holy crap. I made 28 videos yesterday. That was tough. It wasn't too bad until after about 21 videos. That's when it got pretty tough for me. And I pushed it all the way till 28. I had 2 more left for 30, and I'm like, you know what? I cannot do another video. I was just so tired. Even though the next 2 videos were jawline and forearm, 2 easy videos. But I still cannot do it. I'm tired right now. Work just flew by today. That's what I like about my job, is it just flies by, in the winter anyways, because it's slower. In the spring and fall, it can get very busy. Yeah. Spring and fall, summer is not bad at all, except for the plus 30 heat. That is awful. We will do another Woo-hoo-hoo. I am tired. I'm gonna have to have another coffee right away. I might have another one. It's almost 4 o'clock. So I try not to drink coffee after about 5:30 or then I won't fall asleep. And I don't track calories for coffee just because all I put in my coffee is 2 sugar and a little bit of cream, just a little bit. So the coffee is maybe 30 calories, maybe. 1 sugar cube has 4 grams of 4 grams. 1 sugar cube is 4 grams. And the only thing in sugar is sugar. So it's all carbohydrate. So if it's 4 grams, then 4 times 4 is 16 and that's 16 calories. So 16 calories times 2, roughly 32 calories. My cream has barely any. And boom, 30 calories. But again, I apologize. Again, 2 coffees is not bad to have. Yeah, it's 60 calories. Who cares? So I ate quite a bit of food when I got home. I only had 350 calories for breakfast. I don't eat a big breakfast. Tomorrow's probably only going to be 170 or 190 calories for breakfast. And then when I get home, that's kind of when I eat. My ears are popped. That's kind of when I eat the most, is when I get home. Actually, it is when I eat the most. So I got home, I had 1,100 calories. So I was hoping to only eat about 800 just to save room for my chips and my pizza pops. And I ate a little bit more just for the simple fact that my wife bought these pastries and they go bad tomorrow. And she only had 1 of them and there's 6 left. So I'm like, this is stupid. You're just gonna throw out this food. So I ate one. It has 350 freaking calories in it. It was okay. I didn't mind it, but I don't know. I'll try to eat the food up so you don't throw it away. I hate wasting food. Especially since you pay for it, like you might as well. That's why I don't like stuff with expiration dates, really. I mean, don't get me wrong. The faster it expires, generally, the healthier it is. But I just don't like when things get spoiled and ruined. Kind of sucks. But yeah, tonight, since I had that food, I'm already sitting at almost 1,500 calories. So I have room for 2 servings of chips. No, I'm sorry. 2 servings of chips, which is 500 calories. That'll put me at about 2,000. And 1 pizza pop instead of 2. That'll put me at 2,250. Then I'll probably have 2 apples to get about 2,350. So yeah, that will be all I eat. Not all I eat. That's actually quite a bit of food still. So maybe I won't eat the pizza pop. Maybe I'll just have chips and 2 apples. Woo! Crazy, guys, crazy. Okay, so that's the end of the workout. Great job. If you guys have been following along with me, that's what you gotta do. You gotta follow along, and then you'll get the gains too. Look at those striations, you guys. They're coming in. But yeah, I have been dieting. I went again from 206 down to 185, so 21 pounds dropped. Just gotta keep killing it. But yeah. Oh my god, this video, I just kept coughing and yawning and sneezing. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Thank you.